Hello friends, welcome to Southern Seasons. My name is Jody. I am so glad that you joined me today. If you love decorating, DIYs, thrifting, tablescapes, French country, shabby chic, and a touch of farmhouse, then this is the channel for you. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, I would love for you to hit that subscribe button and make sure you get the bell for all the notifications of my new videos coming up. Now, I am on a goal to hit 20K subscribers by the end of the month, so I'd appreciate it if you would subscribe to me. Today's video, I'm going to be in my breakfast nook, and I'm going to be working on my side table. So let's get started. Here is the table that I am going to be decorating. I'm just going to add a little bit of spring on here. I first placed my wreath hanger on the right side, and then I have this cute wreath. I got this at Pier 1 many years ago, and I added some hot pink tulips to it. The next item I've added is my little bunny, and I'm going to add a touch of greenery right next to the bunny, and of course I'm going to be adding some of those hot pink tulips plus some green ones also. Now I'm going to start decorating on the far left side with that DIY cake plate that I made in my previous video. I'm going to be placing another little white bunny on top of here. And next I will be adding some greenery around the bunny. Again, I am going to be placing some of my hot pink and the green tulips like I did for the other bunny. I think it looks cute having some on each side. My next item is this cute little cabbage dish that I got at the Goodwill many years ago, maybe about 4, can't really remember. I am also adding some of these egg-shaped white plates that I have. They have a little bunny on there. I will show them closer here. They're from Pier 1. A little bit more greenery is going to go next to here, and of course we got to add just a little bit more of those tulips. So that is all that I'm going to do on top of my table here. So let me take the camera off the tripod and we will get a closer look. Now I decided not to put anything up here. I might change this out to something later, I don't know. I'm kind of going a little more minimal than I would normally do for my spring decorating. Get a little close up here. As you can see, I added just the hot pink tulips in here. Everything else was already in the wreath. And I love this little cabbage dish. It is ceramic. And I got both of these bunnies a few years back from Home Goods. They always have the cutest ceramic bunnies, and these are the plates from Pier 1. Again, a little close-up look here of my DIY cake plate that was in my previous video. So you might want to check that out to see how I made that. Now let's see how the whole breakfast room looks. I got the rest of it decorated. I'm going to come over here to my little window area. I have this cute little bunny here. I got him many years ago at the thrift store. Just added some hot pink tulips. And I added a little bird's nest, little pieces of fern, and some more hot pink tulips up in my cloche. Over here to the right is that little Dollar Tree DIY bunny that I did. I have a glass bottle here and some more hot pink tulips in this container. Now over to the right here, I have a little shelf that I have a few things here. That's that bunny and egg from my last video I did the DIY on. On my bench, I just have a little container with the hot pink and the green tulips. Now, let's kind of look back here, see how it looks. I still need to do my tablescape. As you can see, there's yellow flowers there. I do have a lot of people ask me, do you keep your tablescapes up? In my dining room, I do, but in my breakfast nook, I take the plates away, but I keep my centerpiece until I make a new one. So this is kind of the direction I'm going. I haven't figured out my plates yet or what I'm going to do for the centerpiece. Got to go find my plates, and I am going to be using these tulips. It's the last of the tulips that I have. So that's going to do it for the video today. I hope that you enjoyed it. I'd appreciate a big thumbs up from everybody. Again, tomorrow I'm going to be back in here finishing up the tablescape. I want to thank you for watching, and I want to wish everybody a very wonderful day. Bye for now.